Alright, let's talk browsers. You're diving into the world of Beam Wallet, securing your crypto, managing your assets, and you're probably wondering which browser is actually going to make this experience smooth, secure, and frankly, not a headache? Because let's be honest, nobody wants to fumble around with compatibility issues when dealing with their digital finances. You've got a wallet, you've got your Beam, and you need a reliable gateway. It's not just about speed, though that's a factor. It's about security, compatibility, and the overall user experience. We're talking about a tool that needs to be as robust as the wallet itself. Think about it. You wouldn't put premium fuel in a car with a leaky tank, right? Same principle applies here. Your browser is the vehicle for your Beam Wallet experience. So, what's under the hood? Now, you might be thinking, Chrome, obviously. It's the big player, the dominant force. But is it the best for Beam Wallet? Or are we just defaulting to the familiar? Let's break it down. First, let's consider security. Beam Wallet is built on privacy principles, and you'll want a browser that mirrors that ethos. Browsers with built-in privacy features, like enhanced tracking protection and ad blocking, are going to be your friends here. Firefox, for instance, has been a long-standing champion of user privacy, and it consistently updates its security features. Then, there's compatibility. Beam Wallet, like many crypto platforms, relies on certain web technologies. You need a browser that's up to date with the latest standards, ensuring seamless functionality. This means regular updates and robust support for Web3 technologies. But it's not just about the technical stuff. The user experience matters. How intuitive is the interface? Does the browser offer extensions or add-ons that enhance your Beam Wallet interaction? Browsers like Brave, with its built-in crypto wallet and reward system, offer a unique and potentially beneficial experience for crypto users. And let's not forget about speed. Nobody wants to wait ages for transactions to process or pages to load. A browser that's optimized for performance can make a significant difference. So, where does that leave us? While Chrome is widely used, it might not be the absolute best for a privacy-focused wallet like Beam. Firefox and Brave, with their emphasis on security, privacy, and Web3 integration, are strong contenders. Consider your personal priorities: security, privacy, speed, or a specific feature set. Ultimately, the best browser is subjective and depends on your individual needs. Test a few out, see which one feels the most intuitive and secure for your Beam Wallet usage. Play with them, see what fits your workflow. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.